Next mask I'm going to go over is the tube up version of the F30. It's the F30i. It does fit slightly different than the F30. I've had patients that do really well on the F30. I have patients that do really well on the F30i. As far as fitting the F30i, very similar to the F30. I kind of take this, hold it off to the side, make sure and put your nose in first, pull it up and over. This should sit about mid part of your head. If it's too far back this way, this is too large for you. And then your nose, the way this is sized is it's just basically, again, the width and the length of your nose. I'm a medium here. You can see my nose is well within the two ridges there and around the front. And then it does have magnets similar to the F30. Little snug, so I'm going to pull those down. And then on the back, you'll want to tighten these down. Couple of things about the F30i. If you get these too tight, you'll notice it's pulling that away from my nose. So you don't want to tighten these down too much. And usually I tighten these first when I'm fitting a patient, just so it keeps it in place and so we're not pulling back too much. So again, you want just the right fit there. And a lot of times, again, you can kind of push it in, adjust the straps. To get in and out of it, you've got the magnets. They'll just roll off here. It's going to pull it up and over. Now, this is a little bit different to disassemble it. To disassemble and take the cushion off, if you grab here and lift up, the cushion's going to pop off there. I'd recommend washing that daily, or at least baby wiping it daily, or CPAP wiping it. You'll want to get the oils off of it. I'm a big fan of taking it in the shower with you. It takes you 30 extra seconds, and if you get a little bit of dish soap or baby shampoo, you can get the oils off there. The other piece to this, you have a disconnect right here so you can get in and out. If you need to use the bathroom or talk to a bed partner, you can pull that out. To wash the frame, I like putting a little bit of a dish soap in there, putting the faucet in there. I've got a faucet at home that fits just about perfectly in that, and letting the water pressure push the soap through it. Again, if you do have water that's built up in these tube up frames, hook it up, hook it to your machine, hit start, let the air pressure blow that water out of the tube. And this does have air coming out for a couple of different places. You'll feel air coming out at the front there when you've got it on. There's also air coming out here. That's where your carbon dioxide is being vented off. So you will feel air coming out there both here and up top, and that is normal. It's just you want to fix any air leaks that are coming around the side.